everybody, it's Amy, and I have a project share for today. Now, every year I say I'm going to work on Christmas projects year-round, or winter theme projects, and then every year I really don't get a chance to do that. But I did want to do that this year, and so I had been working on these cute little Christmas houses using a cut file from SVG Cuts and my Cricut Maker. And what I love about my Cricut Maker is that I can use it on these sorts of three-dimensional projects, which is super duper cool. So yeah, so let me kind of reposition my camera. I can show you the houses better from, you know, a floor angle, and then I also made a couple of gift items to go in this house, so I'll share those with you today as well. Hold on. So here we go. Didn't these turn out super duper duper cute? I used the Merry Days collection on these houses, and I was inspired on this project from a couple of people. One is I was watching Carol Hurlock, and she makes the most amazing house projects, so I really was inspired and wanted to try doing my own house project. And another inspiration was Shara Crane. She got me stitching on paper again. I'd kind of you know, stop doing that for a while, but it's amazing when you see like people kind of take a concept and refresh it and make it even better, and I think that's what Shara did. So I had a lot of fun, you know, doing the 3D project and also kind of stitching it up. So here, let me show you a little bit more closely how these houses look. Basically I did, oops, can't see so great. I did like a shaker window out of the doorway with the doorway cut. And yeah, and then I just kind of stitched it all around my project. I didn't embellish these houses too much because I think they're kind of, you know, the paper's kind of busy, and I thought, you know, I didn't want to get too crazy. Here I did put like a little star embellishment with a little gemmy. And let's see, and I do have a thicker from the collection, just kind of an elegant looking thicker. I used some gold glitter cardstock to frame out the windows, and I used vellum and for the windows. And then here's the back, and here's the other side. And yeah, and I just thought these came out so super duper cute, and I had a lot of fun with this project. It was a really great challenge. So yeah, and so on this one I made the shaker pocket with the acetate, and I just used some sequins that Marilyn G had given me to be the shaker fill. It has cute little snowflakes in it. I'm not sure if you can see that. Let me see, I'll bring it a little bit closer, see if you can see. They're really pretty, right? Really gorgeous sequins. And then on this one, I just used different papers. I used kind of like more of a blue tone. And on this one, I made the shaker pocket out of some tulle, some glittery tulle. And I did similar. I put the star here, the gem, and I put a thicker of a snowflake here. But again, I kind of kept it really simple because I thought these houses, you know, were busy with the pattern paper. Now, what's really cute is these are gift boxes, so the roofs come off. Isn't that adorable? And yeah, so you can kind of put in here quite a bit, actually, to gift a friend, a family member. Just, it's a super duper cute way to gift some items. So in this one, I did do a couple of gift items. So I will, and you can see I got quite a bit in there, and I have a little bit more room to go. So I'll go back to the other angle, and I'll show you the gift items that I put in my little house. Hi, so I'm back. Yeah, so my house, my little Christmas house, is a gift item for a fellow crafter, so I stuffed it with some crafty goodies, and yeah, let me show you what I have inside. I got a little, some iridescent shred to decorate my items, and let me get them out to show you. So yeah, so I made a little gift pizza box that has a little another mini layered banner. I've been just loving making those recently. I'm going to zoom in a little bit so you can see these items better. I think that's better. And then I made a couple of handmade embellishments. So I'll start with the handmade embellishments. Okay, so this one I have packaged up in my little acetate box. And it's a stitched rosette, which I've been dying to make. Crafton, I think it's Crafton with Kimchi, makes these stitch rosettes, and they are adorable, so I was so inspired by her to make one. And yeah, and I just packaged it up in some cellophane and a clear acetate box. And I'll just quickly show you my rosette. Sorry for any crinkling. Yeah, so here we go. I used a ephemera piece from the collection. I put a little bow. I have some enamel dots in the matte finish, sentiment pom-pom trim, and I did a lot of layering on top of my stitched rosette. Just different. I have a snowflake, some circles, and yeah, and more ephemera from the collection. I thought they came out really cute. So I was gifting that, and then I also made a little flag. So let me show you that. These came out, and this is my packaging again. It's like these little clear acetate boxes. They are so fun to package up your gift items and just kind of step it up a notch. So here I made this little flag. Let me show you this. I have some puffy stickers from the collection and other little stickers from the collection. I have put a pom-pom on the top of my flag. I have this tassel. It's from trim that I picked up at Joann's. And then I wrapped my flag with some baker's twine just to give it a little more interest. And I thought it came out super duper cute. So that's 2 of the items. And then finally, I think I also made another pizza box, and these are so much fun, and I'm so addicted. And I thought this one came out particularly pretty. What I did here was I used a die, and I created this shaker Christmas tree on the top of my box. Isn't it cute? I just thought it came out so cute. And then the die had this cute little bird, so I cut her out and I gave her a Gemmy on her wing. Used some sentiments from a sentiment sticker from the Merry Days collection. That says Holiday Wishes. I have some more matte enamel dots and some pom-poms decorating my tree. And for the shaker mix, I just, since it's not terribly raised, I needed to use something kind of with a low profile. So I used seed beads in white and gold. It's for my shaker mix. And then the top of the shaker layer is some gold glitter cardstock. And I just thought it came out so pretty, right? And then I stitched all around the top, and I stitched around the liner pieces for the side panels of my pizza box. Yeah, and for my closure, I just layered in some seam binding again. So yeah, I thought that came out so cute. So let me show you the mini layered banner I made this time. I don't know, hopefully you're not too sick of mini layered banners. I've been making them like crazy because they're so much fun. But this might be the last one for a while. Here we go. Yeah, so I already have videos in my feed where I show more details about how I make the pizza boxes and these mini layered banners. But isn't this cute? They are so cute. So yeah, so let me show you each little piece of this banner before I let you go. I will zoom in to take a closer look. Let's see there. Okay, so on this one, I do these little mini layered banners, and I do a lot of layering, and they're not terribly big at all. I think I'm a little too tight. Whoops, there we go. Yes, they measure about... looks like less than 2 inches, so they're really tiny, but they're super duper cute. So yeah, so on this one I used pennant. I used some trim to outline my pennant banner. I have some gold layering. I used a puffy sticker from the collection, a gemstone from AC Moore, some sequins, and one of the pink enamel dots in the background. And then I have a cute little mini tassel that I picked up in the jewelry section at Michael's. And then there you can see kind of like the layering on the banner. And then on this one I used a chipboard from a collection with the cocoa cup. It's so cute. And I just layered on the puffy pieces that say Make Merry. I die cut a star. I have my matte enamel dots and sequins again, and some pink tassel trim from Hobby Lobby. And I'll show you the layering on this one. And then here I have, actually, I think the little ornament, which is adorable, I think that's from the Fa La La collection by Merry Days. It's a chipboard sticker. I layered on a sentiment from Merry Days that says decorating cookies. I have a gold thicker from the Merry Days collection with a bow. And yeah, and then I outlined my banner pieces with some pom-pom trim. And then here on this one, oh, and I'll show you the layering on this one. You can see. And then on this one, I have a girl carrying some packages, sequins, gold gemmy from AC Moore. I used a sentiment strip from the collection that says Gather Together. I die cut a star. I layered in some more trim from Joann's. And yeah, isn't that cute? And then for my final piece here, I have, you know, layered on some trims. I layered on some gold tulle. I layered on a chipboard sticker. I have, back here it might be hard to see, but I have some really fine white iridescent thread, kind of in the background there. See? And I used the car puffy sticker from the Merry Days collection. And then I picked up these really cute tassels from Michael's. So, yeah. So that is my mini layered banner. So yeah, everybody, I really want to thank you for watching today, and have a great day. If you have any questions, leave them below. I'll be more than happy to answer them. But thank you so much. Bye.